Not every smartphone in 2025 is worth your money. In this video, we're calling out 5 phones you should avoid, whether it's because of poor performance, bad value, or just outdated hardware. Let's get into it. Phone number 1, Google Pixel 7a, if it's still selling in 2025. The Pixel 7a was great 2 years ago, but in 2025, you're better off with a newer Pixel 8a or other mid-range options. Slow updates, aging processor, and average battery make it a hard pass today. Phone number 2, Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Budget doesn't have to mean bad, but the Galaxy A14 struggles with basic performance. Laggy UI, slow charging, and an outdated design make this one of Samsung's weaker entries. There are better options at the same price. Phone number 3, Motorola Moto G Stylus, 2023-2024. A built-in stylus might sound cool, but the Moto G Stylus sacrifices too much. Poor cameras, bloated software, and almost no long-term updates. It's a gimmick, not a good phone. Phone number 4, iPhone SE 3rd Gen. Yes, it's an iPhone, but with a 2017 design. The iPhone SE still has power under the hood, but the tiny battery, single camera, and ancient display make it feel prehistoric in 2025. And in the last, any fake or unbranded Android phone from online deals. Be careful with online too-good-to-be-true phone deals. No security updates, poor build quality, and zero warranty. These unbranded phones often look nice in ads, but are total nightmares to use. Want real value in 2025? Stick to trusted brands, newer models, and solid update support. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more straight talk smartphone reviews. No fluff. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.